Mota dzandaidriva states wangu, imba dzandairenta dzacho ndapata 7,000 per month. Ndatanga Texas Houston Church ndabava vanhu vemachechi ese vanhu vese vauya kwangu. Mapasa asida kundiona. Ndakabhanwa kuAmerica unoziva. Ndakaiswa red flag 10 years upinde muAmerica.
How does a preacher end up being banned from entering the United States for 10 years? Was it because of crime, or was there another side to the story? Today, Prophet Passion Java shares his version of what happened. Welcome back to Deep Views EW. If you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share to support our growing community. In today's video, we take a closer look at an interview in which Prophet Passion Java opens up about why he was once banned from entering the United States. According to Passion Java, during his time in America, his ministry experienced rapid growth, attracting large numbers of people. He claims that many believers left their previous churches to join his ministry, something he believes created tension and jealousy among some church leaders. The prophet went on to explain that he was later reported to immigration authorities. He alleges that false claims were made accusing him of being involved in cocaine trafficking. Passion Java further stated that because he lived an expensive lifestyle, driving luxury cars, and owning expensive properties, the authorities may have viewed him with suspicion. According to him, these circumstances eventually led to him being banned from entering the United States for a period of 10 years. These are Passion Java's own account and claims about the events. They are presented here as part of the interview and should not be taken as independently verified facts. Without wasting much of your time, let's hear directly from Prophet Passion Java himself.
Anonetsa, but get to eat rapinda. They will wait to say. Get to eat rapinda, America. Mr. Java, Pangamai, then Pangamai. Hey, Nabida Baba. Mota dzandaidriva states wangu, imba dzandairenta dzacho ndapata 7,000 per month. Ngorenda day. Ikanaka.
Where were you staying in the States?
At that time, in Houston.
Houston is nice.
Ndatanga Texas Houston Church ndabava vanhu vemachechi ese vanhu vese vauya kwangu. Mapasa asida kundiona. Ndakabhanwa kuAmerica unoziva. Ndakaiswa red flag 10 years upinde muAmerica. Mapasa aya akanoungana kuHouston ati mufana ati dzvanire. Indamuona mapicha angu, I think you have been checking church. I was feeling 500 seater in 4 months. Vanhu vemachechi vacho vandarua preaching, vandarua prophet, vandabudisa madhimoni. Natanga kudedzana achitiza machechi vacho. Mapasa anofona kuimmigration. Zvanzi anotengesa hupfu, andotaura zita racho. Anzi anotengesa hupfu. Anofana hupfu. Obva uya nawo di. Sike inini ndakudriva Lambo. Ndauya manje ndiri airport.
You had made so much money at the time.
Wangu ndakutaurira ndakazomira sezvotramari ndandakutora kuAmerica ukaudza it's a culture. Take any prophet of America andokudza sow seed of 200,000 vanondobudisa easy sow seed of America vandobudisa sana ndamuculture yawo ena ndakuita zveculture yawo. You want me to prophesy? How much seed here? Unobva zvipiringisha izvi zvakaiti kupurita profit kunokutirongorwa mahara
6 to 6.
Uku maiongorwa na 10 minutes kamunhu atobo. Baba. Zvepapa tafamba. Ndanoparidza kuBahamas. Ndakudzoka muAmerica ndinobata Sunday service yangu. Immigration vanditi, what type of a car you drive? Ndakati Lamborghini. How much did you buy this car in the town? So, what business do you have to buy this type of cars? I'm not a businessman, I'm a preacher, I'm a prophet. Sorry, we can't allow you to enter America at this point. Why? Handikuzwa nyaya yacho ndiye. Handikuzwa kune mabasa arwisa. Ndagara Bama 6 months.
What?
I was at the Atlantis, Bahamas for 6 months.
Bahamas is the country where one of my favorite preachers of all time come from.
And it?
Miles Monroe, yeah.
Yeah,
He's
Pastor
from
Miles
Bahamas,
Monroe.
yeah.
I was in his church twice. I preached in his church as well.
Are you kidding me?
I'm going to I don't know many churches I preached in Bahamas. In Freeport, in Nassau, in different. I preached in many
So you're in
churches.
Bahamas for 6 months.
I'm in 6 months.
But you have also so much money that you can do it.
I'm staying at the Atlantis. Kana ukaenda to my room to ordinary, that's $200 a day. Yandogara is sweet. That open that was the 6 months and stopping the lawyer about information. Pastors reported you, they said, what is your hope for? No, I think it's jealous and stuff. That Dilana congresswoman, Popo, and connected to a letter on Pinza. Sharam.
This is 2015.
Bishop No John's dollars on bad zero into kuAmerica.
How?
Hey, that man is powerful. Remember, Bill Clinton used to go to his church. And Wesley Snipes are his church. Sungwana PDD. Kanzo PDD I started up a video. He goes to No John's church and stuff. And Jay-Z, when they go to his church when they're in California. He's a big man. He's well connected. He made some free calls. That ban was removed. Quite
But
distant. Wangu ndakanoti tichibva mutraffiza pembasi ngechiri muna chitepo andauno ndakaudza ndangoti chinibuda ndatofona chana ndoda next flight kuenda kuAmerica. I want to go to Maryland. Wanaenda ku New York ndatopinda iyo tapinda muDubai ndati Maryland yaenda futi namene kwaenda nako futi nambaya pinda.
And the people are still calling, they're still asking for you.
My invitation is that the man of God is in prayer. You'll be available to come and preach after a year. Baba takavadzokera vese vava. I don't want to lie, but I made money. Because the locking fee those days was 20,000. Called many people. So it was week after week. So vese vakabata within 3 days. But 20,000, it's too weird. Ndapinda muAmerica ndakutanga kuita noise. Ndane my sons. If you knew of Joshua Holmes, he's making waves after Manasseh Jordan and Brent Khan. Joshua Holmes, my son. Prophet Morris, Adpa TBN, my son. Men.
And TBN is one of
It was the biggest.
It's the mecca of
It
television.
was the church.
Yeah.
It was the way you can find church with full capacity. Morris is there. He's going to Sidroth, something supernatural. He is big. Oh, my sons are versatile to Java. Vaita zvoveito but kune mukuru wedu anonzi Java. Ana prophetess Jasmine varimo vari kuchema mukuru wedu Java. Ndazouya man. Ndabhadhara mari pa The Word Network every Tuesday.
How much was it at the time? Because space was
They have only 30 minutes a week. But we've done hundreds of thousands of dollars. But again, wasn't it that I robbed them and I would 5,000 one-on-one. And I would
from
I didn't have the indirect way some prophets. This is a preaching. When there's that, I'm doing my preaching. And then like a 10 minutes. No, hello, this is Prophet Passion. I am challenging you to register at my website for one-on-one session with me. 5 minutes to 10 minutes will change your life. I want to tell you what God is saying.
It went to 10 minutes and getting chambo.
Baba, nguwa your website yambo crash on my first days. Register.
That brings us to the end of today's video. What do you think about Prophet Passion Java's explanation? Do you believe his account of what happened? Or do you have a different perspective? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Please keep the discussion respectful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to DeepView ZW. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest news, interviews, politics, religion, entertainment, and current affairs. Thank you for watching DeepView ZW. Until next time, stay informed, stay inspired, and we'll see you in the next video.